Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Zell Small Engines here, and I'm just here with the Honda self-propelled twin blade mower. This will work with any Honda push mower. So if your mower starts up just fine but won't run probably longer than about 3 to 5 minutes, change out those coils, man. This is the old one. And sometimes with these coils, they'll start up just fine, but once they get a little hot, especially when they start to go bad, it won't start back up. Even if you spray starting fluid into the carburetor, it still won't start back up. So if you replace your carburetor thinking it was that issue and you're getting great fuel flow, still nothing, change out those coils, man. It's your boy Zell Small Engine. So just a quick video getting back with y'all. I just bought a cheap replacement to go on it. What the customer wanted. So seems to be just the same though. Everything bolts up. That'll fit on there. So got enough room. But yeah, appreciate y'all for stopping by the video, man. And we out of here.